want to see something that even I'm worried about? Check this out. Bro, but wait. Boy, if you don't, I need to show, but either way, cool start, baby. What's funny is when the CA was first announced, everybody and their mom was talking crap about the car. Now everybody's like geeking over it. If you're new to this channel, this is my 1992 twin turbo 300zx. Whew, man, this exhaust made this car so freaking addicting. Like that 370Z, I'm not even gonna drive that anymore, bro. Like I don't think I have a 370 anymore. I saw that the exhaust video did very well, so thank you guys so much for supporting the 300 content. It's about to get like epic. If you think the 370 looks good, it's about to go next level. But right now we're gonna go ahead and confront one person I really gotta confront about, like this serious. Yo, these kids protein stuff, pretty good. Not gonna lie, I feel cooler driving this car than the 370. Oh god, they're coming. I gotta go. Oh, gotta go. It's a GT, never mind. Never mind. I don't think I can beat that yet. Keyword yet. Oh, you heard a little pop, right? It was like, what? This is a big moment. First ever underpass. We go through with the 300 with the new exhaust. Oh, this is gonna be big, dude. Bro, that is so sick. Yo, let me know down below and leave a like on this video if when I find the perfect exhaust for this car, you want me to compare it to the 370. Right now I can't because it's not like perfectly like this good sound that's gonna compete against it, but when I do, let me know down below because that's gonna be a sick video. This thing's still here, dude. But alright, I'm gonna go confront him. I got you guys. Actually, first of all, dude, everybody has been yelling at me about when we're gonna do this big project of the 300.
Hey man, we're trying.
Yeah, we're trying. It's out of his hands, out of my hands. So as soon as possible, we're gonna get started. But here's the thing. I'm kind of excited, dude. All right, first time looking at it. How long has it been? Okay. We gotta do like a big reveal, dude. I'm not gonna show it on the vlog. I'm gonna put it black and white. That shit looks really good in that color. I'm so excited. Comment down below what color you guys think I went with.
Yeah, I find the Snapchat video.
It's gonna look like super dark in the... Yo, it has so many sparkles.
Yeah, it has hella, dude. The sun is shining.
Oh my gosh, dude. Yo, this color is no joke, dude. We did a good job.
Dude, I told you, like.
It has so much. What would you call that? Sparkles or?
Metallic.
Metallic?
Yeah,
oh my
god.
god.
You see how you kind of tell up top over here, like, what's that mix of me?
I have not seen any 300s on the internet with this one color. None. Like we looked and none.
That's what I told you, dude.
Dude, let's go. I cannot wait. Lucas, we gotta get started soon, bro. I don't want to tease you guys anymore, but you guys probably hate me. Trust me, when we're done, it's gonna look one of a kind. It's gonna look super clean. I cannot wait. Like, if you think the 370 looks good, you guys are gonna fall in love with this car.
It's gonna take over the channel, dude, for sure.
It's gonna take over, bro. But one thing though, it's not gonna look as good as this screen. What do you think? Bro, look at this car, dude.
I heard that backfire.
Yeah, you heard that little pop? working on this right now. This for like, I forgot what year. What year is it?
89.
1989, dude. This is a real deal. Not only am I stuck in traffic, I'm stuck behind this. What even is this, dude? What even is that? Oh, let's see if the 370 is still at the Honda dealer. Let's see this. Let's see. Oh, it's not there anymore. Oh, somebody already bought it? Damn, dude. Saying like hotcakes. Let's go. Man, this car is so 1992, bro. Like, oh, it's just crazy, man. Nissan back then was at the top. I don't know what they're doing now. They gotta go back to these roots. Biggest takeaway from having an older Japanese car that's cool and quick, and back in the day was like legendary. When you do pulls and you like gun it, you're a lot more like scared that something's gonna go wrong, because probably something's gonna go wrong. This car's like, what, 25 plus years old? So yeah, it's not like the 370 that's an 09 and it's relatively new and you can just gun it and do whatever, make it pop loud, and probably nothing's gonna go wrong. This car has 180,000 miles, so it has like 70 something thousand more than my 370, so. This idle straight up sounds like a mini GTR. Listen to this. I have a little bit of explaining to do. Last video with the 300, we installed a brand new full catback exhaust, except for the downpipes. Sounds amazing. You guys absolutely loved it. I said if that video gets 700 likes, we're gonna go ahead and straight pipe Lizzie. That video right now has over 1,000 likes. Over 1,000 likes. What's good right now? Looks like we're gonna have to do some kind of changing around here. We are 100% gonna get the downpipes. Like, my goal for tonight is to order the downpipes. Get a good one. Maybe I can find some one that's used but looks good. I don't know, but I'm gonna order downpipes tonight. Here's the thing though. Installing downpipes, yes, it's gonna make the car a little bit louder, but here's the main problem. These two big boys down here. Although yes, this exhaust looks amazing, those two big mufflers aren't very good for the sound. They muffle the sound. The car doesn't open up. It's not Danny Z loud. It's not Danny Z or Britney loud. Like, when I say straight pipe, a turbo car straight pipe sounds like 1,000 times better than a 370Z straight pipe. Like, trust me, this thing is gonna sound like a freaking mini R35. There's one exhaust out there that I saw online. They fabbed up an R35 exhaust to a 300zx.
That is nuts. That's so awesome. Wow, man.
And this thing sounded, if you had your eyes closed and you just heard it, this was a GTR. Like, it sounded just like a GTR. But that's probably not the route we're gonna go. It's crazy to think that with certain exhaust setups, this VG can sound just like a GTR. Like, it's pretty weird, but really cool at the same time. Okay, you guys did smash the 700 likes, so now I gotta do my part, and we're gonna, okay, here's the thing though. I can either get axle backs that don't have mufflers, gonna sound amazing, or this is what I've been thinking about lately. I could take it to a shop, have them take out the mufflers, but leave this tip, which I would be extremely happy if they could do that, because these tips give me life. Either way, we're gonna figure it out. I'm just super excited that you guys are actually enjoying how this car sounds, because honestly, I Didn't know how good turbo car sounds until I own one and I put an exhaust on it. Cause VG before I was like, I don't really like the sound, and now it's like turbo's louder, spool's louder, blow off valve is louder. Sounds so good. It's so good. Okay, you boys already kind of know what I'm gonna do. Don't try this at home. Wish me luck. First time trying this in this car. Yeah, what could go wrong? Man, you can really hear the turbos just kicking in hard. Oh my gosh, man. Like, I know the 370 might be a bit faster, at least as of now, because we're still on 9 pounds of boost. But the turbos and just spooling and just kicking in. Okay, my goal for this car is to make it sound like a freaking GTR. Like, I feel like that's possible. Like, it already sounds like it, and I've seen other people do it, so we're gonna try it ourselves, maybe. We're gonna drive this car home very slowly, very slowly. If I drop this camera right now, you guys are gonna hate me, so I'm gonna put it back in the car. That said, I'm gonna go home, I gotta edit this, and actually, I'm on spring break, so I don't even gotta worry about school, bro. Let's go. Drop a comment down below if you're also on spring break right now, and you're just honestly living the life, cause I'm not. I'm not living the life at all. Thank you all so much for watching all the 300 content. It means the world to me. It really means a lot. You guys have no idea. So thank you so much for that. For everybody that supports me. Y'all are the best, man. I got the best subscribers out there. I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out. And I'll see you guys next time.